Check out these cool aquariums. So, where are we? What aquarium is this?
We're at the GUMBO LIMBO.
That's right. GUMBO Limbo Nature Center, East Boca. Located off A1A Ocean Drive, right? Yeah, they got a bunch of aquariums. They got the FAU Marine Labs. And there's like catwalks with views of the Intracoastal. It's cool stuff. Let's go check out some more of these. Hey, Mr. Turtle, how are you? Cool looking building. Barracuda. And now we're in the GUMBO Limbo Outlook Tower getting a glimpse of the blimps.